Hey everybody, welcome back to Mark's Garage. Been a little while since I made a video, but thought I'd show you this 2010 RSV4 Factory that I picked up. Doing some work on this bike, kind of deblinging it, and some other things as well. Pretty excited to have it on my channel. Pretty clean bike. Got about 5,500 miles on it, original miles. It did come with some mods already done on it. Some of them I've already taken off and getting ready to replace some of the mods with a little bit more tasteful stuff. For instance, the good thing about this bike though is all the parts on it were quality. There was no Chinesium, but we are getting rid of some of the gold bling on it. Placing that CRG lever there, Rizoma fuel cap. I'm just not a big fan of that yellowish gold bling very much. It just doesn't look good to me. So it's all coming off. Like I said, you can check out some of the mods on it already. Does our Marchesini Forged aluminum wheels, Vinci full system, seat cover. That's a luimoto seat cover there. Gilles Rear sets, Gilles Rear chain adjusters with hooks. Got some more stuff here and there. I did replace the head Rizoma, like horrible gold Rizoma grips. I got rid of them and put some domino on there. Block off plates. Not really sure what I'm gonna do there. I think I am gonna try and run some mirrors, but not really decided yet on there. But they were red anodized light tech block off plates. They look terrible, so I pulled them off of there and painted them semi-flat black. Got Rizoma front sprocket cover. I kind of like that, and the gold on it matches the chain and the rear sprocket. So it's got one of those supersprox on the back, the two-piece sprockets. Good looking chain there. So really low miles on all this stuff. So got a TBM carbon gas cap, tank sliders, RNG tank slider, zero gravity screen. It does have a cheapo Chinese clutch lever. I don't know why he put black instead of gold on one side. You're gonna do gold, at least do it on both sides. It's an evotech tail tidy. Just a really clean bike. Really clean bike. Braking rotor. Wanted one of these for so long. I'm proud to have another V4 in the garage. Not gonna do it too terribly much on this. We're not gonna go crazy with it like we did the Ducati. Just don't have the money to do all that, unfortunately, for this bike. But I am going to debling it, make it tasteful, get it super clean. I do got some things I'll switch up, of course, here and there. They got a set of Stylema calipers from the Ducati Panigale V4 with the matching silver rear caliper. So I think pretty sure that's probably an upgrade over these antiquated Brembo monoblocks from back in the day. So we might throw them on there. Do want to do a master cylinder, of course, a RCS master cylinder. I think these first gen RSV4s did not come with a Brembo master cylinder. Well, I guess they do come with the Brembo. It's just not a high-end Brembo. So we'll see what we'll do there. Other than that, drop me some comments. Let me know what you think I should do with this bike. So this is a first gen RSV4 Biaggi replica colors. Very hard to find. There's not many of these for sale online, especially with this low of miles. Bodywork, absolutely immaculate condition. One teeny tiny chip in the front fairing that I got some color right on already. I don't even know if you can see it in the video. Other than that, absolutely perfect. No scratches, scrapes. The bottom fairing looks absolutely perfect. I do have to replace one of the decals because the overflow hose for the tank was routed on the wrong side of the fairing. I guess had some gasoline spill on the sticker and ruined the sticker, so I pulled that off right away. And your eyes are not deceiving you, it is lowered. I do have the links already to raise it back up to factory height. I'm going to raise a couple of rings on the front forks as well. Put them about 3 lines showing. So 2 is factory, 3 is generally what a lot of people like to run. So bike does run great. I'm start it up for you, let you hear what the Vinci full system sounds like. It does have a quick shifter as well installed on it. As far as tuning goes, your guess is as good as mine on this. I'm going to have to get with AF1, maybe use the goosey diag, and see what the heck's going on with the tuning on this thing. I do notice a little bit of a hitch when I'm riding it as the variable intake runners open up and down. I notice it. It's very, very noticeable in track mode. Street mode, pretty noticeable as well too. And road mode, I haven't really messed around with much. Well, that's it. That's the first walk around of the Aprilia RSV4 2010 model factory. And look forward to more videos on my channel. I know I owe you guys some videos for the 98 R1. It is not going near as smooth as I thought it would go, so I'm having a hell of a time getting the carbs set up right. Had everything all put back together on the R1, the carbs on it, ready to sink them on, and fired it up, and fuel was just pouring out of the fuel rail. So I had to pull everything all back apart, change the O-rings on the fuel rail, and bench sink them again. And I'm just about ready to install all that again and get going on that 98 R1. I really want it put back together, at least if it's not, even if it's not running great. I want to get it put back together and be a full bike at least, and something that's semi-rideable in my garage. So I do have finally got the title issue squared away with that. As you guys remember, it was a Japanese import. Finally got the title squared away with that, and got that ready to get the road and plated as well. So really looking forward to getting that going as well too, but it is just taking me forever on some of this stuff, so I do apologize. Stay tuned to my channel. Take a look at some of the other videos on there on my other bikes. Like, click, and subscribe. And getting ready for MotoGP next weekend, by the way. So if you see Austin, see me coming around, say hi.